Hi, I'm Moira from Gorilla Glue. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Spray Adhesive. Gorilla Spray Adhesive is heavy-duty, multi-purpose, and easy to use. It forms a clear, permanent bond that is moisture-resistant and can be used on projects both indoors and out. Its comfort nozzle and controlled fine mist spray provides an even application on your project. Gorilla Spray Adhesive is repositionable for up to 10 minutes and then forms a permanent bond that won't yellow over time and is photo-safe. It can be used for craft, home, auto, or office to mount things to surfaces like paper, cardboard, wood, laminate, and fabric. Gorilla Spray Adhesive is easy to use. Just follow these instructions. First, shake the can well before you use it. Hold the can 6 to 8 inches away from the surfaces to be bonded and spray an even coat of adhesive. For maximum bond strength, spray both surfaces to be joined. Allow to dry for about 1 minute after spraying. Then, press surfaces firmly together. For a repositionable bond, spray a light coat on one surface. Allow to dry for 1 to 3 minutes before joining. The surfaces will remain repositionable for up to 10 minutes depending on the surface type. Then the bond becomes permanent. To remove, gently peel from corner. Allow a minimum of 24 hours for the adhesive to be fully cured, but know that the cure time may change based on temperatures and the surfaces. When it's dry, it can be sanded, painted, and stained. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and other project ideas.